In this video I want to show you how easily you can mix colors with pastels. I have chosen the three main colors and white and black. So I've chosen yellow, blue and red and white and black, and I want to demonstrate you how you can mix colors easily with them. So let's apply a little bit of yellow here, and then let's add blue. And when you're mixing both, for example with a cotton swab, you can see that you can mix here green. So yellow and blue, you can mix here green colors. Add a little bit more of the yellow, blend it together, and you have green here. You have here a beautiful green color, or you apply here yellow and then use red. Mix them together. You can also use the paper stamp for mixing, so you can mix here orangey colors. Bring the pastel pigment here into the paper, and you have here a beautiful orange. Then you can add again yellow and mix it again. So you have to play around a little bit, but it's really possible to mix your colors. You can also draw with yellow and add red on top, and add a little bit yellow again and blend it, and you have an orange color. If you add a little bit of white, you can lighten the orange a little bit. Mix it again. Then you have a lighter orange color. So if you don't have lots of colors in your pastel pencil range, you can also mix a little bit and play around. If you use blue.
A quick interruption. I invite you to join my free online drawing workshop and draw with me a beautiful blue cat eye, yellow fur and a dog nose. Find the link for joining us below in the description.
And bring in red. You can mix then. You can mix purples. So blend blue and red together, mix them together, and you have here a wonderful purple. If you add a little bit of white here, you can create a lighter purple. So use a cotton swab here, so you can mix a lighter purple color. Yes, or you apply a little bit of blue and you want to mix a dark blue. Then bring in here a little bit of black and blend them together, and you have a very beautiful indigo, a dark indigo color here. Mix it here together with the blue, and you have a dark blue, or you bring in with white. With white you can always lighten up your colors, so bring in here a little bit white. Yes, and mix it here, and you have beautiful light blue. Not always you have pastel pencils that have the correct color. So the Pit of Faber-Castell don't have a beautiful light blue in their range, so I can recommend to mix you a light blue if you want. You can draw for example, blue lines here, they are not very light, and go over it with a white very gently, and then you have light blue strokes, for example, if you want, and you can lighten them up. So it's really possible to mix your colors. You can use again a little bit of red, and then add a little bit of yellow, and then add a little bit of black very gently, and mix them together. Then you can create brown. So it's good when you have a range of browns, of course, when you are drawing animal portraits, but when you play around a little bit by mixing colors, you can really mix different colors with your pencils you have. So mix them, bring in more black here and more yellow, and then you have a gray brown. So it's really possible to mix some different colors. Of course, it's better you have more colors in your assortment, but you can play around for your backgrounds a little bit for mixing colors. Very easy. You can mix pinks when you use reds and white. So mix red and white, and you create pink shades here. The more white you apply, the lighter your pinks will become. And you can add a little bit of, if you have a pink, so if you have mixed pink here, you can apply a little bit of yellow and mix it again, and you get a skin color. So apply a little bit of yellow and of white too, and mix it, and you will get an orangey pinky skin color. Use white again, mix it again. So you can play around, and the more white you apply, the lighter this skin color is becoming. So here you have a beautiful skin color if you don't have one in your color range.
I hope you liked this little insight how to mix colors with pastels. I hope this was helpful for you, and now finally I invite you again to join my free drawing workshop, Draw a Blue Cat Eye, a Dog Nose and Fur with Pastel Pencils. You can find the link for the subscription below.